Fix Can't Open Apps error on macOS Sequoia. If you're trying to open a certain app, maybe you download it from an external site like a DMG file, or maybe you download it from your App Store. Now, if you did download from your App Store, try to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. And go to the search bar and just search for the app that you were trying to install or open, and it should be able to open without any issues. Now, if it is a DMG file and it says that app opening error, sometimes due to some restrictions, you have to allow the option manually through your settings. Open up settings on your macOS. Once you launch settings, on the left hand side, you want to simply look for the option privacy and security. And if you scroll down, you'll find a list of that application, and it will show over here open anyway. So it will show allow applications from set this to App Store and known developers. Because if you only set this to App Store, apps that you didn't download from your App Store will not be able to open. So you select known developers. Then after that, you go ahead and select open anyway. You will receive a pop-up for that app. And after that, you will be able to open the app. That's all for today's video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.